Ah yes, I remember the tale of the Battle of Zanzibar.
Higher than the horses, flying over fortress, rushing like endorphins. Time to slay the sorceress. Course she sent her forces, million walking corpses, magically animated. Wonder where the source is. Wizard where the place was, lizard where his face was. Flesh of the fallen, cold as they grazed us. Stomach almost came up, then he lifted his cane up. This is when the pain struck. All this beef, no cattle farmer. Ice sword, uncheat from my battle armor. Battle onward, storm the gates. The spiders, the hornets, the horrid snakes all gave chase in this morbid place. With a taste of the hate, born to sworn mistakes. As I race on these broken legs, torn and frayed, only hope remains. A holy raid for the Pope's remains. Rotted army, dope in veins. I had noticed that the focus changed. His back turned, he spoke of things. A weakness through the smoke and bangs. I peeped it and I opened brains. Through the open lane.
You will die.
You will die. No, it's gonna be you, Mr. Wizard. Lizard face. As the warlock folded, so did his undead swarms. Now we rushed indoors, which was rusted. Swords of encrusted gold as we hunted the sorceress. More of us, lost in the substance. All this for nothing. Gotta find the chamber. Never mind the danger. Take shape of my love or the face of a stranger. The gun or the club or a mace or a dagger. Lost of this blood, got my pace at a stagger. Will I fare well? Make it to the stairwell, well held down to the dungeon. As we plunged in, body of a bull, but the brain of a munchkin. Wings of a dragon, tail of a something. All I know is he's blocking the fucking way. Hey, get out of the fucking way. On the last leg of the past crusade, yeah, we haven't slept in the past 2 days. Advanced rage in a fast new way. Hunt her down and demand she pay with her life for the strife, chaos, dismay. Rejoice as she rots away. You got a voice, let me hear you say. Onward, onward, we found her. Beat down, bound her to the stone ground where she flopped like a flounder. This must be a trap, an elaborate host. I gasp while I laugh as she stabbed my ghost. Celebrate, inebriated with the fattest roast. Sitting cracking jokes with my city folk. If only I had made it home, for it was all a trap, a disastrous hoax. I gasp on the bass cause she slashed my ghost in the back with the staff from her gaseous cloak. I move on.